for a new product. Please explain.
Morning boss, today we would like to propose the new product which is Pickled Mango. We evaluate two combinations which is regular Pickled Mango and chili asam boy Pickled Mango. By comparing these two products, we can identify which combination has better quality, acidity and consumer potential. Our project focuses on developing and improve Pickled Mango product through food chemistry analysis.
That sounds good. Explain to me more about it. The ingredients used to prepare the pickled mango are green mangoes, white vinegar, water, sugar, and salt. For the chili asam boy, pickled mango, we also add chili and asam boy. Green mango provide a firm texture and a naturally sour taste. White vinegar contains acetic acid, which lowers the pH and helps preserve the product. Water dilutes the vinegar to create a balanced pickling solution. Sugar balances the sourness, while salt enhances the flavor and help draw moisture out of the mango through osmosis. Asam boy contribute additional organic acid such as citric acid and malic acid, increasing the overall acidity of the product.
To prepare the pickled mango, we first wash and then peel and slice the green mango into evenly sized strips. Next, we mix the mango slice with salt and let them sit for 20 to 30 minutes to remove excess moisture. And then we prepare the pickling solution by combining white vinegar, water and sugar until the sugar dissolves completely. For the chili asam boy pickled mango, we chop the chili and asam boy added to the solution. Finally, we place the mango slice into the jar and pour the pickling solution over them until fully covered and seal the jar tightly and refrigerate them at below 4 degrees Celsius for at least 24 hours before analysis.
That sounds good. I would like to know what type of analysis your team will conduct.
First, we will collect the pickled mango sample from refrigerated storage. The sample will be kept below 4 degrees Celsius to maintain the quality and prevent any chemical or microbiological change before analysis.
Alright. How will you determine the acidity level of the product?
We will measure the pH of each sample using a calibrated pH meter. So before the analysis, the pH meter will be calibrated in standard buffer solution to ensure accurate and reliable measurements.
After calibration, we will place the pickled mango sample into a beaker and immerse the pH meter probe into the solution.
Okay, the pH value will then be recorded for both product. Based on our result, the regular pickled mango will get pH value 3.0 and for the chili asam boy pickled mango we got pH value 2.8. This is because the asam boy contain organic acid such as citric acid and malic acid, which is it can increase the acidity of the solution. So, of the lower pH value indicates the higher level of acidity in the pickled mango.
Very good. Besides the pH analysis, is there any other method that your team use? Boss, we also conduct an acid-base titration to determine the total titra acidity, which is TTA of the pickled mango sample. Why TTA analysis is important? TTA is important because pH measure only the concentration of hydrogen ion in the solution, whereas TTA measure the total amount of acid present in the product. Therefore, TTA provide a more complete understanding of the product acidity and stability. Okay, can you explain more about the titration process?
During the titration, a measured volume of the pickled mango sample will be transferred into flask and dilute with distilled water if necessary.
Next, a few drops of phenolphthalein indicator will be added to the sample solution.
Then a standard sodium hydroxide solution will be added slowly from the burette while continuously swirling the flask.
The titration will continue until the solution changes to a faint pink color, indicating that the endpoint has been reached.
The volume of sodium hydroxide used will be recorded and used to calculate the total table acidity, which is TTA, of the sample.
And finally, we will present the pH and TTA result in table and graph. We will also plot an S-shaped titration curve, which is a characteristic of the titration of a weak acid with a strong base, to illustrate the pH change throughout the titration process.
Okay, based on the result, the best pickled mango formulation will be selected by considering its acidity, stability, and overall product quality.
That sounds like a well-proposed plan. Please proceed with the analysis and keep me updated on the result.
Alright, thank you, boss.